Hello scholars. Welcome back to Scholarship's Route, your gateway to educational opportunities. Today, we have exciting news for international students looking to study in the UK. The University of Westminster fully funded Undergraduate Scholarship 2024 is now open for international applications. In this video, we will explore its details, benefits, eligibility, and how you can apply for it. But wait for a moment. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to us for the latest updates and stay with us till the end. Now first let's tell you about the University of Westminster in London. The University of Westminster traces its origins back to 1838 when it was established as the Royal Polytechnic Institution, making it the first polytechnic in London. It received its royal charter in August 1839 and adopted its current name in 1992. The university has several campuses across London, including in Fitzrovia, Marylebone, and Harrow. Its main campus is located on Regent Street in central London. Additionally, it operates the Westminster International University in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. The University of Westminster is divided into 3 colleges and 12 schools, housing approximately 65 departments and research institutes. Notable research centers include the Communication and Media Research Institute, CAMRI, and the Center for the Study of Democracy. The university boasts a diverse range of notable alumni, including a Nobel laureate in medicine, presidents, politicians, Olympians, scientists, BAFTA and Oscar-winning filmmakers, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees, Grammy Award-winning artists, journalists, and poets. The main campuses of the University of Westminster are strategically located in central London. The Regent campus, centered around 309 Regent Street, includes the Regent Street Cinema. The Marylebone campus is located opposite Madame Tussauds and the Baker Street subway station. The Cavendish campus, near the BT Tower, focuses on science, engineering, and computer science. The Harrow campus, outside central London, specializes in media, arts, and design and includes the London Gallery West. In the fiscal year 2017-2018, Westminster received £205.1 million in revenue, with £22 million coming from financial grants, research awards, and contracts. This financial stability supports the university's academic and research endeavors. The University of Westminster is a member of several prestigious associations, including the Association of Commonwealth Universities, the Association of MBAs, EFMD, ECIS, and the European University Association. These memberships reflect the university's commitment to international collaboration and academic excellence. Now let's come with me to our Scholarships Route website screen to dive into the details. The University of Westminster fully funded Undergraduate Scholarship 2024 is now open for international applications. The Westminster University Scholarship is the Chancellor's highest honor, fully funding a student from a developing country to pursue a full-time undergraduate degree at the University of Westminster in London. This scholarship specifically supports students from a Black or Black mixed ethnic background, aiming to provide them with the opportunity to further their education at the University of Westminster. The Westminster University Scholarship offers full funding for a full-time undergraduate degree at the University of Westminster. This includes tuition fees, accommodation, living expenses, and a stipend for additional costs. In addition to financial support, recipients of the scholarship will also receive academic and career support throughout their time at the university. So don't miss this chance to further your education in the UK. Now wait for a moment. If you're new to our channel and want to get the latest scholarship updates, you can also stay updated by following us on our YouTube, WhatsApp channel and also join Scholarships Route on Facebook and the most popular USA, Australia, Canada, and UK Facebook pages. The link is in the description. Now, let's take a quick look at the scholarship highlights. Study level: Undergraduate. University name: University of Westminster. Study in UK. Opportunity focus areas: any full-time undergraduate degree program offered at the university. Program duration: 3 years. Application deadline: the 8th of July 2024. Now let's check the scholarship benefits. The Westminster University Scholarship provides the recipient with the following benefits: £5,000 per year towards maintenance costs or tuition fees up to a maximum of 3 years. Let's check the eligibility for Westminster University scholarships. To qualify for Westminster University scholarships, candidate must fulfill all of the following requirements below. Required languages is English. International students from developing countries are eligible. You must hold a September 2024 course offer for a full-time undergraduate degree at the University of Westminster. You must have a household income of £25,000 or below as assessed by the Student Loans Company. You are not eligible to apply if you already have an honors degree. How can you apply for University of Westminster scholarships? Let's check out. Please follow below important instructions to avail Westminster University scholarships. Step 1. Download and fill your application form, visit the link here. Step 2. As well as completing the relevant scholarship application form, you will need to provide the following supporting documentation. A copy of the letter email from the University of Westminster confirming your conditional or unconditional offer of a place on your chosen course. An official copy of your transcript from your most recent current academic study. A reference letter written specifically in support of your scholarship application. This should be written by a previous tutor, professor, academic or employer, where relevant to your chosen degree course, and cannot be the same reference provided as part of your admission application. Step 3. And post applications to Scholarships Office, University of Westminster, Cavendish House, 101 New Cavendish Street, London W1W6XH, United Kingdom. Step 4. Then the scholarships office will email you to acknowledge receipt of your application. Finally, visit the official links by clicking here to apply now, and kickstart your academic journey to apply for the fully funded University of Westminster Scholarship Program for international students. If you found this information valuable, like, share and subscribe for more future scholarship opportunities. If you have any questions, drop them below, and click on the link in the description to apply now. If you are searching for the latest fully funded scholarships, check it out here. Thank you.